You're burning through mountains of cash and drowning in complex tax rules. But you know deep down, the ultra-rich play a completely different game. It's like they've cracked the code and you're stuck on the outside. And that frustration, that anger, it's real because every dollar lost feels like a knife twist. The system is designed to bleed you dry while the insiders sit back, shielded by shadows you don't even see. But here's the brutal truth. This isn't luck or magic. It's a system built by them, for them. They don't just dodge taxes, they weaponize structures nobody talks about in your boardrooms or networking dinners. Listen carefully. The first secret you must grasp is this. Stop thinking about taxes like a yearly bill that just happens. Instead, make taxes your battlefield, your tool, your leverage. Ultra-rich families don't wait for tax time to panic. They start crafting their entire wealth architecture around it, years in advance. Forget single companies or one-off investments. They build multi-layered family offices, using multiple entities across jurisdictions like chess pieces. You need to do the same. Don't just register a company, layer it. Trusts, holding companies, foundations, each designed not only to protect wealth, but to morph liabilities into invisible assets, transferring taxable burdens into shadows where governments can't touch. Here's the next punch that will shake you. Relocation is a weapon, not just a dream. The ultra-rich don't just pick beautiful vistas. They pick sovereigns with strategic tax frameworks. But not just off-the-shelf jurisdictions everyone talks about. Niches, lesser-known territories with bespoke laws, carefully vetted and constantly shifting. You must think beyond passports and addresses. It's about movement, agility, the ability to channel your wealth through global arteries like blood vessels that no one can block. Not tomorrow, now. Because hesitation means taxes eat more of your empire every day. You feel overwhelmed? Good. It means you're waking up. The ultra-rich don't just hire accountants, they hire architects of inequality. People who draft complex estate plans that turn what looks like wealth into tax-free legacy machines. It's legal, it's ruthless, and it's necessary. So stop trusting your advisor to just file your returns. Demand a strategist who sees your family's money not as static numbers, but as flow, an electric current to be redirected, amplified, and multiplied. Now, push them to deploy vaults of offshore trusts that are invisible to governments, but still fully controlled by you and your family, like puppeteers in a play that no one else sees. Do you want the real shock? Philanthropy. It's not charity here. It's a shield and a lever. Ultra-rich family offices pump billions into foundations, not because they feel guilty, but because it's an unbeatable tool to harvest tax credits, reduce exposure, and grow influence. But you can't do this with a casual mindset. Foundations must be structured not like outdated organizations, but like active, producing enterprises that generate value, feeding your family while draining tax obligations. Turn giving into an engine that drives your wealth preservation and growth in one brutal stroke. Remember this. Do not settle for simple solutions. The ultra-rich hack the gray zones, the legal loopholes so subtle they almost feel unethical, but are hammer-forged in law books. They use private placements, life insurance wrappers, family-limited partnerships, and cross-border IP licensing to scatter their taxable footprints like mist. And you need to know how to set this all up, maintain it, and evolve it relentlessly, because tax authorities are hunting every loophole that lasts longer than a day. The time to act is not later. It's now, with obsession and precision. Building an unbreakable family office that transcends borders, transforms risk into opportunity, and makes governments chase ghosts while your wealth quietly multiplies. You have the power to stop bleeding in taxes, to become the masters of the system instead of its prey. But you must get ruthless, strategic, and absolutely relentless. This is war. For your freedom, your future, your family's legacy. No excuses, no hesitation. Start building your fortress of wealth optimization today. This is the game the ultra-rich play. Now, it's yours to win.